Hey, this is Joey here at Best Trailers. Today I'm going to show you how to measure your trailer lug pattern. Now, I'll start with the two easy ones. Typically, all 8 lugs are 8 on 6.5, so you don't run into any issues with those. For trailers, you've got 6 on 5.5, which is your common lug pattern. Don't typically see anything else, but if you do have some ag equipment or some farm equipment, you might see something that's 6 on 6.5 or different. But for all trailers, it's 6 on 5.5. Now the difference arm here on the 5 lugs. For measuring the 5 lugs, a lot of people will measure from bolt hole to bolt hole. That's not actually the correct way to do it. Now there's 4 different lug patterns for a 5 lug bolt pattern. And what it is if you drew a circle through the center of all the studs and then measured that diameter of that circle, so from about right here to right about there is where you would get your measurements for. Now the common lug pattern is 5 on 4.5, and that's what most everybody uses. If you go out west, you're going to run into a 5 on 5 lug pattern. Not a whole lot of manufacturers still use that. Most of them have switched to 5 on 4.5. Like I said, from here to center of here is 4.5 inches. The next one up from that will be 5 on 4 3/4. You very rarely see those. 5 on 5 is the next common one. You see those on a lot of big Tex trailers and any trailers that come out of Texas and Oklahoma. I don't know of many other states that use them, just those 2 off the top of my head. If you know of another state that uses them, comment down in the comments. The last one is another rare lug pattern, is the 5 on 5.5. That's an old Ford lug pattern. 5 on 5 is a Chevy lug pattern. 5 on 5.5 is Ford. 5 on 4 3/4 is an old Ford. And 5 on 4.5 is the common Ford now, which is also the common trailer pattern. Now, we're in Byron, Georgia. This is Best Trailers and Supply. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. 478-654-5350.